Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing, and I have a knife. This shipped from Lexington, Kentucky, and originally was from Hazeltown, Hazel spelled differently, Township, Pennsylvania. As always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. They're always a different variety. There's chips, there's protein bars, and in this case, this is what I think it is. A pool cover. Yep. So we've got an above ground pool. We're not rich. Humble brag. I just scared my cat. I thought she'd be geeked out for it. But this is a pool cover from Winter Block Pool Cover. Yeah. I'm not going to open this up right now because it would be... My kitchen is not that big. But yeah, we've got an above ground pool. We enjoy it. It's nice and refreshing on a 90+ degree day. Yeah, do you guys like to swim? I like to swim. Get some laps on. Yeah. Keep the pool cover on. I think it warms it up and it keeps it clean. You know, trees, debris, bugs, and all that stuff. Saves a life, saves the insects from dying in the pool, drowning. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. I'm not trying to be morbid. If you want to help support my channel, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Use my username, London Hawthorne, at sites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net, and you'll save $3 or more of every single shirt that you purchase. If you order 3 shirts, that's $15 or more you'll save. And I get a couple bucks in credit. Thanks a lot for watching. I wish you the best. Hit the thumbs up button, share my video, all that jazz. I appreciate you. Have a great day.